Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video we will learn how to set up hotspot on MikroTik routers with MikroTik RouterOS version 7. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of configuring a hotspot, providing step-by-step instructions. Follow these steps. Step 1. Create a IP address subnet for hotspot. First, access your MikroTik router via Winbox. To configure the IP address for the hotspot interface, navigate to the IP and select the addresses. Click on the plus button to add a new IP address. Next, enter IP address you want to assign to the hotspot. Select the interface to which you want to assign the IP address. Step 2. Create an IP address pool. Navigate to IP and then click on Pool. Click on the plus button to add a new IP address pool. Next, provide a name for the IP address pool. Define the IP address range for the pool. Specify the start and end IP addresses of the range. Step 3. Set up hotspot. Navigate to IP and then click on Hotspot. Next, click on Hotspot Setup. Select the interface that will be used for the hotspot. Click Next. Next, set hotspot address for interface, then click Next. Define the IP address pool for the hotspot clients. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Next, set the DNS addresses. Click Next. Next, set the DNS name of the local hotspot server. Click Next. Click Next. After that, extend the server hotspot profile and set the address per MAC as 1. Next, go to Server Profile tab. Click on Radius, then enable Use Radius. Next, go to Login tab, then check the MAC. After that, go to Users tab. Remove the default user. Next, go to User Profiles. Expand the default profile, then select Address Pool. Step 4. Enable AAA setting. Navigate to Systems, then click on User. Click on AAA, then enable Use Radius. Step 5. Configure Radius. Next, go to Radius. Click on Incoming, then enable Accept. Next, click on the plus button to add a new radius profile. Next, Select P and Hotspot Services. In the address field, enter 127.0.0.1 IP address. Next, enter secret, then click Apply OK. Step 6. Configure User Manager. Go to User Manager. Next, go to Settings. Check the Enable and click Apply OK. In the Router tab, click on the plus button to create new router. Next, enter name of the router. Next, enter your radius profile secret. In the address field, enter 127.0.0.1 address. Click Apply OK. Next, navigate to Users. Click on the plus button to create new user. Next, enter username and password. Click Apply OK. We will now proceed with the verification of the configuration to log into the hotspot.